It's a misty hair growth wash day in mini twists, and I am living for it. If you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe. And to my returning subscribers, you know I love you guys. Today I'm completing a full wash day with these products from the beautifully presented The Australian Organic. These products are argan oil based, and while I'm using the hair growth range today, this company has got so many ranges for you to choose from depending on your hair issues. Whether it be hair loss or thickening or scalp issues, they've got you covered. Today I will be using their hair growth range like I said, and I cannot wait to share my thoughts with you. And what's even more exciting is that these guys offer free international shipping, guys. So there's absolutely no excuse for you not to try them out to see if they can actually help with any of your hair issues. Let's get into the video. Alright guys, so I'll be trying out this 4-step hair growth bundle that comes beautifully packaged, beautifully presented in quality packaging, guys. The product just screams quality and luxury, you know, the gold just does something to you, girl. Anywho guys, like I said before, this brand is actually argan oil based, and as you know already, argan oil has got great benefits for the health of your hair. I've got a shampoo, a rinse out conditioner, a hair growth mask, and a hair growth spray as well. This brand not only offers organic based natural products, but they're nasties free as well. That is no parabens, no sulfates, no silicones, you know, all the stuff that we don't want, that we know can affect our hair negatively. These guys have not included them in their products. This brand prides itself in the reviews from its customers and the results that are tangible after using these products. The hair growth spray is actually an award-winning treatment, and like I said before, they offer free international shipping, and they've got such a great range of products, whether it be for hair loss or for hair thickening or scalp issues. They've got you covered. Alright, so for anybody that knows me, I start my wash day with a thorough rinse, just with very warm water, and this actually helps me to get rid of a lot of the product that's just sitting on my hair in my twists. I take my time with this process because this actually helps me to use less product, and I get the most out of my products this way because I end up using less product each wash day, and I actually save money. And guys, I've really been enjoying looking after my hair in mini twists. My hair is getting really long, and I cannot imagine having to detangle my entire head of hair in one sitting. No, I cannot do it. My hair is really getting long, and I doubt that I'll be able to do it with the amount of patience and care required to continue retaining my length. Nah, I doubt it very much. But anyway, yeah, mini twists, girl, you gotta try them if you haven't already and you're trying to retain your length. They are a really good way for you to, you know, enjoy wash days a little bit more and really see results when it comes to length retention and health as well. Okay, I am going in with this shampoo, and the first thing that I can say, guys, is how creamy. It actually feels like a conditioner. So creamy. I've got way more than I think I need, but because it gave me conditioner vibes, I just thought it might not lather as much. But to my surprise, it did indeed lather very, very well. I can already tell that this product is actually putting moisture back into my hair. I don't think it's gonna be stripping, because even if it's lathering, guys, I'm getting creamy vibes. I'm getting hydration. I'm getting slipperiness. It's really actually quite a nice shampoo. The scent is a little bit on the perfumey side. I mean, all their products actually have a nice perfumey scent, but what I like is the fact that it's actually very subtle, so it's nothing overpowering. As you can see, guys, more than enough lather. I just went ahead to massage my scalp and then just really rub and squeeze in that shampoo so that all the dirt and the grime and all the product is really out of my hair and I can get a fresh start once again. Going on to rinsing my hair, guys, I can really tell you that I like it. I like this shampoo. It hydrated my hair. It did not give me the stripped feeling, and honestly, I am surprised. I don't expect for many, like I don't have a high expectation of many products unless it's designed for kinky, curly, coily, but this product is just, you know, made for any hair type, you know. So I'm really pleased at how it left my hair feeling, guys. Soft but clean, hydrated but clean, not stripped, hydrated. I'm here for it. If you're struggling to grow your hair and finding a shampoo that's also non-stripping at the same time, that's natural and that's also organic, guys, hey, I'm telling you, this shampoo just surprised me. I just kept touching my hair and I could not believe how defined those curls. Oh my gosh, curls were popping. I'm so excited to try the conditioner now, because I'm just like, if the shampoo does this, then what's this rinse out conditioner gonna do? Obviously, you know, I'm gonna use a lot of conditioner because, you know, we've got natural hair, we've got kinky hair. It needs the moisture, it needs the hydration. And once again, a very light, fragrant, perfume-like smell, and very soft. It's very creamy, the conditioner. I don't have a lot of faith in rinse out conditioners as well, but this one felt very nice to apply. It was quite slippery. As you can see, I was just adding more to my ends there, but it was really easy to apply, and I just went in there and squeezed it into my hair as much as possible. I left it on my hair for a couple of minutes as instructed on the packaging, and then I went ahead to rinse it out. After thoroughly rinsing my hair, I can definitely say that my hair feels quite nice and hydrated. The shampoo left my hair nice and hydrated, so I can't really tell you whether this is the shampoo or the conditioner, because the hair just feels really super nice. All right, onto the mask, and I am most excited about the mask because, you know, we love our deep conditioners. This mask was thick but not too thick, which means that it actually applied quite well on the hair, and you actually use less product when the product is not too thick. And this actually comes with experience. Sometimes, you know, you try things, you know, different masks, and you actually realize that the thicker the product, the more you tend to use. And I love how they've actually, you know, made this mask, because it's a mask here, but you know, you can easily apply it onto the hair. I did not use too much of it. I used enough, and I honestly feel like I can use it 3 or 4 times maybe. And yeah, once again, like the rinse out conditioner, it was very easy to apply. It was creamy, guys. I just loved how it made my hair feel. And as you know, I do deep condition with heat. The instructions say to leave it on for 20 minutes. I went ahead and left it on for 30 minutes, guys. And I did use my hooded dryer attachment to add heat to my mask. As you know, this really does help me to suck up all that hydration and really give the product the best chance to really work on my strands. So yeah, I'll come back and rinse the hair shortly. So it's been 30 minutes, and guys, the hair felt like butter. No joke. What? Wow. No, this product really just, oh, I love it when a mask or a deep conditioner does what it says it will do. And of course, the ultimate test was obviously to see how my hair feels once the mask has been rinsed out. But before we even get there, let's just give credit where it's due. My edges were soft, the ends were juicy. Yeah, I love it. I love how it was feeling on my hair. And when I went to rinse it out, it actually was a little bit tricky to get all the product out, and maybe that's because I used a lot, or maybe it's just super creamy. Who knows? Either way, I did have to actually take my time to rinse it out. Probably also, just because I've got twists. So there was actually product in between the twists, and I sort of kept having to wring the hair and, squeeze it out just to make sure I've got a thorough rinse. Honestly, once I was completely done with the rinsing, my hair felt like it still had product in it. I kept checking. I'm like, am I sure all the product is out? And yeah, there was no product left, and the hair felt so good. My ends were really hydrated. My curls were popping. I love this mask. I think it's my favorite so far, but that shampoo was really good as well. So, I'm struggling. I'm struggling. Anywho, guys, on to the last product, which is the hair growth spray. This one you can actually apply to your scalp on damp or dry scalp or hair. This spray is very light. It's got a very faint scent, and it's very easy to apply to the scalp. When I tested it on the back of my hand, guys, it felt like velvet. These guys are onto something. This brand, they know what they're doing. Because I'm getting all the right feels about all these products. It's interesting to me. Just see how lightly it sprays onto the hair, and it actually feels so silky, and once you rub it in and massage it into your hair, it just disappears. So if you hate like an oily feel to your hair or your scalp, yeah, this product is it, because you will not even notice or feel that this product on your scalp. Guys, I've got a 20% discount for you guys. There'll be a code on the screen showing right now. You can get these products if you're interested. As you know, the shipping is free, and I've got only one word for these products: moisture galore.